Welcome to TriStar, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a support ticket. At TriStar, we primarily use tickets in order to solve issues with the programs, or if you have a request for a change in the program. Our phone lines are primarily used for emergency situations, so you'll want to get used to making tickets, and you'll need a ticket account to do so. So to start, I'm going to go to our website, tristarsoftware.com. And then there's going to be a tab at the top called Customer Support. Once we click that, it'll take us to our support area at Zoho Desk. And if you're a new user, you'll want to sign up. Now, first, you'll enter your name, and then we're going to go ahead and enter the email address we would like to receive updates on our ticket. I've gone ahead and made a test email just for this video. So we're going to sign up. And now that you've signed up, you're going to get a link in your email, which you'll need to follow. This can take a minute or two for the link to be sent. And there it is. And then we're going to accept the invitation. Now we're going to go ahead and do a password for this. And now that we've created a account, we can go ahead and enter a ticket. To make a ticket, you're going to click this plus icon and click submit a ticket. There's also a knowledge base area. This has a bunch of articles on how to use the program or sometimes specific issues you're having. For example, a common one is that your fonts do not always show. Now this would be because you are missing a special font. So if we click this area, if you are having checkboxes that appear as O's on your forms, it's because you're missing this font. And here's an article how to download. But for now, we're going to go ahead and submit a ticket. And once you submit a ticket, it will give you these topics. Your subject line should be a brief description of the issue you are having. This is a test for tutorial video. And you're going to enter which product you're having an issue with. For example, we're going to say we are using Windsurf. Other options could be WinCopy, CaseGator, or Accounts Receivable. In the description for your ticket, you're going to want to include as much detail as possible. For example, if you have a form that has an issue with it, say there's a typo in the form, you're going to want to say, my form has a typo on the first page. And then you're going to want to say what the typo is. The word the is spelled H. Hopefully that won't actually happen, but that serves as an example. And then you're going to want to attach what the form is. It's very difficult for us to figure out which form you are talking about. Each customer has around 400 forms in their system, and the easiest way for us to identify which form it is by including an attachment. We have little keys on every form that tells us which form it is. So while you may only use one proof, each customer has a different proof. So we need the actual form to know which form actually has the issue. Now that we've hit submit, we can see our tickets in the My area. We also should receive an update that says here's our ticket has been created. Now the cool part about our system and our support system is once you have made a ticket and you have an account, you can actually just copy this email here. And anytime you send an email to this email address, it will create a ticket for you. So you can say, this is ticket 2. I have more issues. And then send. And now that we've done that, we should be able to go to My Area. Oops, My Area. This may take a second to actually send. Yep, we've sent it. There we go. Yep, it just took a second to load. So now we have the second ticket here. So anytime you want to send tickets, you can also just send an email. But in order to do that, you do need to create an account first, and that'll just tell us who it is that's submitting a ticket when you submit a ticket. If you want to see replies, you can actually go into the ticket here, or now I've sent a reply to a ticket, so you can see that that ticket is now closed. You can go to my closed tickets, and you can see our reply, or in your email, you can see the direct response, and you can answer tickets that way. Thank you. I hope you use our ticket system in the future. This is really primarily how we solve issues within the program, and you will be using it a lot in topics in the future videos.